Not all air conditioners are created equal, especially when it comes to size. Too small, and your AC struggles to keep up, driving up your energy bills. Too big, and it cools too quickly without properly dehumidifying, leaving you with uneven temperatures. So what size AC do you need for an 1,800 square foot home? Choosing the right AC isn't just about comfort, it's about efficiency, longevity, and cost savings. An improperly sized system can lead to higher energy bills, unnecessary wear and tear, and costly breakdowns. The right size ensures even cooling and optimal performance. Air conditioners are measured in BTUs, or British Thermal Units, or tons. According to the HRAI, a 2,000 square foot home typically needs around 32,000 BTUs per hour, or 2.5 to 3 tons worth of cooling. But square footage isn't the only factor. Your home's unique design and conditions play a huge role in determining the right sized AC. Beyond square footage, here's what affects your air conditioning needs. Insulation. A well-insulated home retains cool air better, requiring less cooling power. Poor insulation? Your AC has to work a lot harder. Windows and sun exposure. Large or south-facing windows can let in a lot of heat, increasing the cooling demand. Number of occupants. More people generate more body heat, impacting the cooling load. Home layout. Open concept homes distribute air differently than multi-story or sectioned layouts, affecting cooling capacity. While online AC sizing calculators can provide estimates, they don't account for all of these variables. A professional HVAC assessment ensures you get the perfect size for maximum comfort and efficiency. At Affordable Comfort, we don't guess, we calculate. Contact us today for a professional assessment, and let's find the perfect AC for your home. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.